Io voglio andare no gana io. E mueni na. Ya le so do meu. Ma voga si me ve. Usage gbera mera do he. Gbera mera, ya le usago meri, odo mega mago gasinebe. Ya gyo kwai, amena ya gyo kwai, o kwai ho ikoyo, imoso mae. imagun. Ogagana o. Ogagana o. Deyam yokesi ayo. Ogagana o. Ogagana o. Deyam yokesi ayo imagun. Ogagana o. Ogagana o. Deyam yokesi ayo. Ogagana o. Welcome back, guys. This is Karagina. You're welcome to my channel if you're watching me for the first time. You see, this channel is all about fun, entertainment, and all of that. We learn, we play, you understand? Trust me, if you're in my channel, you are not going to be an unhappy somebody. You will be always be happy anytime, any day. She understand me? So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You understand? Subscribe, share my video. So today I want to share something. You are married. You are married. You still have a mother and you have a father. I mean, say you don't marry. You get husband. You still get papa and mama. You married to this your husband. This your husband love you well. They always they do everything to make you happy. They show you love. They show you care. They give you everything what you want. My sister, what you they look for again? What you they look for again? Man, they show you love. They do everything. I don't say me you not take your mother advice, but most of our mothers who they see nowadays, most of them they know they lead us well. Most of them they lead them astray, of which you're not supposed to be like that. Imagine you get mother. Because this question came to me and I have to answer it. So I believe that even if I want to answer it, I also have to share it so that people will learn from it. You understand what I'm saying? You get mother, you get mama. Make I use broken in English, you understand? My broken is not good, please just take it. I'm sorry. You understand? You get mama. This mama where you get, they give you. I don't say me you not listen to your mother advice. Fine, you can listen to your mother advice, but not be all advice when your mother give you. Your mother not feel can't tell you one kind of advice. Maybe say you not go. You say go take on the name of say she be your mother. Let me tell you one thing. I'm sorry, wait I want talk if he hurt you. Not be your mama be mama. Some mama they just they good to spoil their own children on their own. You understand? No be your mama be mama. If there are some mother your pikin go one marry. The man wey want marry, you go dey discourage your daughter. May not marry that man. The man not get car. The man not get house. The man not get this one. The man not get that one. Ask that your mother when you marry your papa, whether your papa get, even if say your papa he get all those things. That one not mean say pikin, your pikin when you born, if you want marry, your husband must get everything. All destiny cannot reign the same day. They reign in different day. It may be after you marry your daughter, all those things will begin to happen. You'll see some mama, your daughter marry good man, he get everything. Still yet you want me kill that man. He good. See, mothers out there that are watching me. This is Karagina TV, where we talk truth. We say things the way it is. You understand? We don't beat around the bush. If na like this, it will be, na so it will be. She understand? If you are mothers out there and you are watching this Karagina TV, check your heart. Are you a good mother? Check your heart where you have done wrong in your daughter or son life. You'll get your own daughter. Instead of you to the happy say you want carry grandchildren, your grandpikin. Everybody they happy may they still wish, may they still carry grandpikin. Some of them who they beg their children marry me for carry grandpikin. Your own tell you say you want marry, may you forget grandpikin. You they tell and say make it they do your husband anyhow. It's not good. It's not good. I thought you love your daughter and you have to lead your daughter in a good way. Imagine your daughter marry, your husband they give her everything. dey give am everything, dey do everything for am, dey show am love and care. Still yet you dey tell your pikin make go dey sleep around with men. Mothers, e no good. It's not all mothers that are doing it, but those of you who are doing it, you know yourself. It's not good. You go see dey tell your pikin make go dey sleep around upon all the love and care wey your husband dey show am. You say make your daughter go dey sleep around. If your husband come ask am say where e dey come from, e go lie say na your place. You go even dey talk to your husband anyhow because you don back am as a mother say nothing dey happen. You don cook am. It's not like that. All those things, wetin be the end? Wetin be the end? Man marry your pikin, he do everything for you. He still dey give you money as a mother-in-law or whatsoever. See yet, you are not satisfied. You just want to destroy your daughter's life. You just want to manipulate. You just want to do something that will make your daughter to regret later. And your daughter may not realize it. It is when the thing is too late, that is when your daughter will realize it and say, oh, my mother lead me astray. Yes! Because if that your mother wan frustrate your life, you no go know. Now when the thing don done, now you go know, say, now wetin your mother do to you? After all those things, then your mother will come tell you, say, may you leave your husband house. You will be say you be mumu. You will really pack your load, you leave your husband. Your husband no do you anything, oh. You wey dey watch me, listen, na you I dey talk to. Your husband no do you anything, na two no quarrel. E get quarrel wey dem no dey settle. E say that quarrel don pass quarrel. Your husband not do you anything. You pack your load, you pack your property because you and your mother not already cook am. Maybe your mother doesn't arrange another man when you want give you to. Because you now, you don't be like battery. If you run down to charge am, now you can't be. So now, he go want carry you. You go meet another man. You now, you go kukuma pack, you go your mother house. Your mother pack come up for your father house. Although it make your father useless. But that one not me say he pack come up for that house. Then where you? Even if say your mother get what they use, you don't go pray. Mothers. All those mothers where they do these things, I not say all of them now. The one way they do them, they know they are safe. It no good. And you will be the daughter, your mother, they tell you, say, may you come out for your husband's house. May you come out after the marriage. You think say easy for man to come put money, come marry woman. You know how much you fit pay. Even if say na two do, I know say nowadays na woman I call they do the thing for na side. But even if at that, the money no easy. Abuna they say and they pick for grand. After the marriage, after the judgeability, after everything, then you come back, you come go your mama house, and you think say you'll get peace. Let me tell you, you know when that jazz will take clear. Now when you don't reach your mother house, when your mother will tell you your life history, then you will remember say Jerusalem they exist. I'm just telling you the truth, the facts. You understand? Even if say your mother tell you say me you come up for your husband, say they get what they use, you go sit down, still pray, still reason and say, even me say your mother they tell you me go to sleep around with men, all those kind of things, blah blah blah. But that one not me say you come pack, come up for your husband house. When your husband not pack your load, come outside. And your mother when they tell you say me you pack, come up for your husband house now, he still there your own husband house. Even your mother now don't hold. Your mother, he don't hold. He see the husband house. Although he make your husband they useless, but he see the husband house. Then you pack, you go meet your man. Now you don't pack. You for your husband house, you go meet your man. At the end of the day, your mama now start to molest you. He start to do you anyhow. He start to tell you your life history. You think say as you come, you go just say yes, you don't come. They go they carry you like egg. You never know anything. Women. Now I tell you, there are still good mothers out there. So those mothers where they good, Mona continue to do now good. Mona they advise na children. If na children don't marry, pray for them. If na children don't marry, say problem there anything. Try to be the answer to their problem. Just try to be the answer. Just try to solve things out. Not be say you enter inside to destroy the marriage. If your pikin come up for husband house, come your house. Another one still go marry, come up for husband house, come your house. Another one go marry, come up for husband house, come your house. Another one, I don't know how many children. Another one go marry. Una be 3, una be 4, una be 5. All of them marry, they come up for husband house, come your house. E good. Then you as a mother, you can't tie your wrapper where you say, yes, my children don't come back from their husband house, come join me. It's not a good thing, my dear. It's a very bad one. You understand? And you, ladies, if you are married, please stop sleeping around. Wait till you define. And money you define. Not be the money you defend when you dey single. Now when you don't marry, now you want to start to defend the money again for all those dirty things. It's not good. If you are married, you are married. That one not mean say some people talk say abomination no dey. Abomination no dey. Who tell you? I don't know the land where you for come, but for me, abomination dey. It's a taboo for a married woman to be sleeping around. It's a big taboo. If you don't know, no. You understand? What I go? You hear me? So abeg, una no dey say because say one kind level so una dey another country, dey una you dey sleep around. Una mama go even dey give una power. No level, I dey una back and rage. No level, go do am down. Let me tell you one thing. All those things don't dey last. It's not a good thing. It's not a good thing. Your husband thing no reach you. Your husband thing no reach you. Before you marry him, you not do am. E no reach you. Some women they use am curse them. I think so because I believe say woman when e dey with the right sense cannot do a thing like that. When you are married, you are married. If you dey single, you fit do what you like. E no concern you. Now you know. You understand? Because you never married. But when you are married, you look like person wey be say na the same blood una come be. You understand? E no make sense. Even if say na money you dey find, there are other ways to make money. There are other ways to get money without sleeping around with men. Yes, there are a lot. If you want me to name it, there are a lot of ways you can learn how. If you not fit get anything wey you dey do for your hand before, you can learn anything. It's not too late, my dear. If it's too late, then why old men dey cry? Why old women dey cry? At least as they don old, they're not supposed to dey cry again when something wey go make them cry happen. Shey they get? So please, you can still learn something and then you make money from it. It's not by sleeping around with men. How long will you do that? How long? You will do. You know they tire. So I beg, if you don't marry, you don't marry. If you get mother, if you get mother, your mother they give you bad advice. Come on for your husband house. Come on for your husband house. Not be say your husband drive you. Una two they live fine. I not say me you die for bad marriage. Like, wetin be bad marriage? Marriage won't be say I not support. Because for my channel, na the truth now we dey talk. And which now they give out. So, I not say me you die for bad marriage. Like, maybe you dey marriage now. Your husband always dey beat you. Not be once, not be two times. If he beat you, he go enjoy you. I not support him. I'm sorry. I have to be truthful. Then maybe your husband now, na person wey be say na a family na dey control am. You understand? Na a family dey control am. If your family talk, na wetin family talk na dey follow. You don't pray, you don't do so many things. Still yet you dey follow your family. The next thing go pack your things, you go throw away and put for outside. Then una still beg, you go still pack and come inside. You not do anything. Still yet e no work. Like another like bad marriage. Maybe your husband bring in another woman. Not be say go do one for outside. Come carry another woman. Come for your house. Then if for your back, you don't go pay the woman back the back price. You don't do marriage. You don't do everything. Come carry and come ask for your back without you know. I not support and that kind of man go fit still kill you without nobody go know. So I don't see any other reason because tell me say the shit I felt talking for my last video. You not get where rain for not the fall. Now pray now you go pray. If you don't tire, now you go see use the seat sit down. If they who they call and you go drop phone say go say maybe they know they call me again. You go over they tell and say only pick call. Now you go say no problem. I say I know they pick call. I don't tire. You know say that side they don't tire am. If they tire person now today, he go still tire. Shey they get. So but if they do back, maybe your husband you're the shit. Maybe who they call you? Maybe who be that? Maybe who be this? Maybe who be that? He go they do one, he go they do. He go be like say the thing self they enjoy am. You understand? He go say my baby they send me my baby they send me my baby. You understand? He go be like say you they feel am. I don't know want to put on. Shey they get, but take am like that. Shey they get so. But if you always dey do like person wey be say no be say you no care you care, you know we women you care. If you dey always dey do like the thing not pain you or the thing no all those things, he go dey like wonder see this girl talk, I don't want talk, even they give me phone. He go weak. Or if they do bag, go they do and make you die. So now be men something. She they hear me so. So I not say me you not take your. They are still good mothers. You understand? They are still good mothers. So I not say me you not take your mother advice, but not be your advice. Will be say your mother you give you. Maybe because nobody dey perfect finish, you pick the one way dey important to you, way good. No, they pick the bad one. Some mothers they are just good in destroying their child life, their children's life, and it's not good. She dey hear me so. And if you know say your mother na bad mother, because not be your mother be good mother. Maybe you all know say your mother na bad mother. They always dey do your father bad, as in as in a person wey don sit down on top of your papa, as in. So no let that thing dey your own life, make you come to do your own husband like that, because it will affect you, because you don't know how your mother take day. So if that kind of your mother they give you advice, make you see they do your husband anyhow, I beg not take am. E no good. I don't know wetin you go gain when be say you marry, you peace supposed to dey that marriage, but that you be the person wey be say they bring problem. I don't know how say they enjoy that kind of marriage. I can't. I not fit. You dey marriage, you supposed to dey enjoy. I don't see anything wey go make you dey sleep around with another man. I don't see anything wey be say if you no love man, no marry am. Simple. Now wetin me see, not be by force. Marriage is not by force. Somebody cannot be forcing marriage on somebody when the person does not want. I don't know if you get me. So now when marriage na something wey person dey take decision say he don ready wan marry. E not be person I want you marry because I want marry. You are not okay. You understand? It's people who are not okay that always do that. Because I believe that if you are okay, you cannot be saying that I want you marry because I want. You want to marry because you are ready to take the responsibility to get married. You are ready to have all those things. You understand? And you love the person you want to get married to. Let me tell you, do not look beauty of a woman, but look the heart. Look beyond. Look the heart of that woman and check. I don't say you be doctor, but what I'm saying is that when I say look the heart, as in just overfeed the woman of that person. If the woman is the right woman for you, and you that is looking for that right woman, just know that you yourself, you should also be the right man, because a wrong man cannot be looking for a right woman. It takes a good heart and a good man to be looking for a good woman, because if a wrong man is looking for a good woman, it is so difficult, because a wrong man, when he meets a good woman, it will make that woman to be a bad woman. I'm sorry for what I'm saying, but it's the facts. Yes, because a bad man now, if he dey talk anyhow, and maybe the woman dey gentle, because of he anyhow doings, if he constantly make that woman dey talk anyhow, to be doing anyhow, because he's not a right man. So you that is watching me, are you looking for a right woman or a right man? Okay. First, if you are the man that is looking for a right woman, first be the right man. If you are a woman that is looking for a right man, first be the right woman. It will help things. It is so easy. Make yourself comfortable. Check your heart. Think. Reason. If it is your decision, then you can take it. Please, ladies, like I said, if you have a mother that is giving you, leave your husband's house, leave your husband house without nothing, it's not that your husband have done you anything, please do not leave. Do not leave your husband. If there are some women out today, they don't even know the man that owns their children. Whether na Paul, na Peter, or na James, so they don't know. That one not good now. If that pikin were to be a bad child, he go do you bad. Oh. If he grow, he go do you bad. Some of them go come they lie. Come they talk say, if papa don't die. If papa don't this. Papa done that. If papa your day life, but you don't know whether na Paul or James. You don't even know the person, because the thing I miss set Spain, it already miss. So you don't know which one give him belly. He good. Those things is not good. Imagine you don't even know the person when he give you belly. It not good. And because of wetin curiosity dey happen, and because of money, once the man wey you talk say wey give belle don give you belle, you go discharge the man, make for not take the money, because you and your family don plan am. E good. I no understand una o. Wait, una no fit work. Even if the work no come dey, man, there is better to just be alone in one side than to come go dey. Peter go give you belle, Paul go give you belle, you go dey borrow the name of make you just dey make dem call dey pay you. What do you gain? It's very disgusting. It's not good. That's what your mother do. It's not good. Those children, if they grow, you'll be like you just sow seed for their life. If those children grow now, how you want make those children be? It's not a good thing. Don't because of those money there be the thing, there be I call that one liability. I don't call it an experience. I call it a liability. The person have what they call low self-esteem. That is what the person have. Because I don't think that because you say you are born, I don't plan now they do boys. You are born, I don't plan you say me the boy give you belle. After I don't give belle finish because of money, you push the boy head come out, make the boy for not eat for the money. But I think saying that you tell am say make it give you belle, maybe for the collect money. You and your family now don't plan am. You go say push that boy head come out, maybe for the collect money, me take what you want do. You go really push the boy head. Then the boy now you don't feel carry head again, make give you another one. That one if you don't shop that one money finish, you cause it dey find Johnson. E not good. Those things not good. How long will you continue to be doing this? You understand? How long? Change your mindset. This video, like I said, this video may offend you, but it's just the truth. Because in my channel, that is the truth. You understand? Because you don't feel they say because of money where they say they give you, then you they carry belle for different men. You they carry belle for different men. I don't know nothing. That one not be marriage. I look that one like I don't know I want call her. I don't even know what I want call her. You understand? That one not be marriage. That one not be anything. You come see man wey go so see okay, me put you first, me marry you. After I don't marry you, still push down one hair come out. It's not good. How long will you continue to be doing this? See, all those this thing, all those single, they don't born single mothers or whatsoever. A lot don't supposed to be a single mother, but they make themselves to become a single mother. It's just the truth. It may offend you, but you self where they watch me, check your heart. Okay, you won't go tell me say everybody where you're born, where you not get husband. Now all of them you pursue their husband. All of them will be say they not get husband. Now all of them man you really live say I don't want to get. Let me tell you, I'm a woman. Some of them they use their hand say tell the man. Maybe as they don't body picking, they don't they collect money. Some of them pursue the man. May not come join the shop the money again. Not today. Sure, I don't understand. No man are not the reason say maybe she they join. I'm not they join men or join women. No one good. Me self I be woman, but I'm just telling you the truth. Wait till they try talk say no be all women will be single mother. No be supposed to be single mother today. Some of them use their hand cousin. Some of them they get husband, but now they pursue their husband. Say husband go. Husband I don't need you again. Now let me one shop my picking money. Continue to the shop, but how long? See, let me tell you one thing you guys don't know. Money is good though. But if you not get man when you call your husband, it may not worse if yes. Money is very sweet. Money good. Me self I like money. Because I be woman. Even you way they look me, not like money. Nobody will not like money, but like money with sense. Not like money, live your sense. Like money with sense. Not like money, live your sense. How you like money, you can't live sense where you take make the money. You don't get sense be that now. Yes. Because if you like money, get sense follow on. Any woman where be say get heaven and earth. Let me they talk. Any woman where get heaven and earth, you no get man where say oh that for me na him. This is my husband. The money na useless money. Na sugar money me na want call itself. I be na sugar. That one na useless money. So I not say may you not born, may they for pay you money, but let her be one man. Hold that man tight. Mona too gotta plan life. Mona for metuna children. Some of those people they'll collect money, they know they use and buy one cloth give their children. I don't know where una for come now be oko. Because the thing fear me, oh. Some of them, though, after they don't collect the money, if you see their children, God, children go tire you to bone. They no go use the money take care of their children. Instead, they'll go carry that money, go give another boy. Not be even the boy give them that belly, they take born that pikin. Another boy. Wetin yellowness go cause for life. Another boy wey be say no even know how they take born that pikin wey take dey see the money. Una check una heart. Na this life na fire still dey before you go that side. Na this life na enjoyment dey before you go enjoy for heaven. Na here. But first, more do here well first before that side. It's good to be good. You understand? What I mean is that I know say me you no born take collect money for government. Fine. But if na Peter na you love, when you and Peter sit down talk am. If Peter ready to love you forever, love you, he ready to stay with you. Una two una understand una self, una settle down, then una born. Una fit dey collect una money, una go dey enjoy am. No be say after the money don come, you will be the woman, only you wan go the shop. Maybe you born one pikin first, the money dey come. Maybe na two side the money for the come. Let one still be for the man. Not be say the man go chop am. The money wey go still come for the man side, the man go still use one take buy something for house. They wanna still chop, take buy something for the pikin. Go still put small for pocket wey still dey okay. You, if you all still come, still buy something for pikin, still put, then still dey gather for pikin una take dey feed una pikin. No be una you carry go as mommy go say carry come now, una you go give am. Who collect you go Nigeria, you go give am. Then you tell the man say, come, I no need marriage again, make it go. Because of why you don dey collect money. How long? Well, this video na here I want for end down, but I wan let you know, no be your mama be mama. You dey hear me so? No be your mama be mama. If you get mother wey dey give you bad advice, comot for husband house, comot for husband, or drive your husband, abeg, that your mother na your worst enemy. If you suppose to dey show am this place, dey show am this place. You dey hear me? If you suppose to dey show am this place, dey show am this place. Na your worst enemy. What did I mean by your worst enemy? I know say na she born you, but let me tell you, e get where e dey reach. Dog dey chop dog. I just dey tell you mind. You understand? So abeg, a lot of mothers have caused a lot of daughters problem. This one wey I tell you so, na wetin happen, na I take share give you. As it happened to that person now, but I only advise her that he should have not leave her husband's house. But she said she never knew when that thing happened. It was when she left her husband's house, then she arrived in her mother's house. You see? She said that she never knew. It was when she packed her load and she arrived in her own mother's house. That was when she realized that she's no longer in her husband's house. Then her mother started talking to her anyhow, doing her anyhow, turning her into anything that she wants. You see? If you marry, no me say may you start to dey pray. Say your life don good. If you marry, you'll be like say you arrive for where all the animal wey dey wild dey. You need to be prayerful for that kind of thing. Yes. You need to hold your faith strong. And the other way around, no be all advice, no be there they take. Take the one way you know say go benefit you. There are some advice that you will take, it will destroy your home. There are some advice you will take, it will maintain your home. But trade with caution. It matters. Marriage is supposed to be a place of harmony, peace and unity, love. Not a place of war or using all those dramatic charm or whatever. It's not good. How long will you do that? It's not good. Be good. Just be who you are. Some of your friends can just come. Now that kind of man you marry, now that kind of marriage now you dey. What you they do for that kind of marriage now? Me no fit dey that kind of marriage you. Come out to come out. Wow, come out for that marriage. You also be like relationship. Now that kind of relationship you dey, that kind of relationship you dey, come up for that relation, come on. He don't come up for you. You ask me whether he don't come up for you. You see, it's not all friends that ask you to leave your husband house and be telling you that if you see how my husband is good, if you see how my husband is good, my dear, you no get place where be say rape for not dey fall. Husband and wife can have issues, they'll still settle, and just a small thing, you understand? But I beg, no, you they take your friend, take your friend advice. Your friend tell you say come on for your husband house, then you really come out. It no make sense. If your friend tell you say make you come out for your husband house, tell am say you do well, you hear. But use your brain. May for go. Dey hear me so. See, let me tell you, some friend go feel your contact, go say na your husband might be the best man for the whole world. That your friend run for am. There is no man that is the best in the whole wide world. But we can just say it because we want to say it. You understand? The best man in the world is the man that you cannot see. We all are trying to be the best. But have you seen the best? Nobody that does not have issues. But let me tell you one thing that you have to know. If your friend is advising you to leave your husband's house or to follow another man, and that your friend is still with his man, he's not your friend. He cannot. Counting marriage, they'll say, yes, he don't marry Paul. You don't marry Peter. They can't follow your man. It don't make sense. Your friends supposed to be advising you that pray to God. As far as say waiting they, I don't know waiting you they pass through. Some women they get luck for man where they do their good, but the man no they get luck to enjoy the woman. It not good. Some women they get luck to enjoy the man. But the man no they get luck to enjoy the woman because of what? All those tell me something. All those your mother's talk and all of that. You see? The man go come the reason say na hair na him really enter. So of course you just arrive. So please, if you are that kind of person, I just want you to change. Change from those things. Marriage is supposed to be a good place to be, not a war place. You understand? Trade with caution and be who you want to be that will make you happy, that you will never regret tomorrow. It's very important. So I leave you with this. Check your heart, you mothers. If you have been doing this to your children, stop it. You have to advise your children to be nice to their husband, to be good to their husband. You have to be the answer to their problem. You don't have to be a destroyer to their marriage, to make their marriage unbearable for them. It's not a good thing, mothers. So if you are that kind of mother, please change. If you are that kind of friend too, you have to change. Be a good friend. A good friend in need, good friend that when that person call for you, you will be an answer to that person. I leave you with this, like I said. Have a nice time. This is Karajina TV. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Love you.